Here at the Dead Sly Adventure by Mr. Jacob
Munoz.
Yes. Starring on the line Mr. Great Digger, Toro Loco, Meloso, Maxine, and Scooby-Doo Papa. On the other side,
Zombie.
starting up, Zombie. Continuing by Captain Cruz, Grave Digger, Medusa, and Crush Nature. On the first stunt, the car is going to slide down the dead slide
In the middle.
and try to avoid this flipping on the Lego mountain. Starting. One, ready, set, go! First one going, that was Mr. Great Digger. Next one is Crush Nation. One. Ready, set, go! Oh, lots of speed up! On the other side, Mr. Toro Loco is coming up. And you ready? Set, go! Oh, Toro Loco! First place! Because he didn't flip. Coming up. Yes, he's coming up. Jacob. He's coming up.
Scooby-Doo Papa.
Woo-hoo! Ready? Set, go! Oh! Scooby-Doo Papa! Play! Coming up on the other end, it's Mr.
Maxi.
Ready, set,
Go.
go! Oh! Max flip. The next one coming up is Medusa. Ready, set, go! Oh, hit and flip. This is the final. We need one more. One more for the final. It should be next one coming up. Mr. Capitan Cruz. Ready, set, go! And the end for the final to see who's the winner. It's gonna be between Medusa and Toro Loco. We're gonna make a break doing the jumping of the dead. Wait, let's see who survived for the jumping. Wait, okay, get ready, set, wait, go! winner, Jacob? Who's the winner? Medusa!